Hi! In front of me is OPPO A15s, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose additional settings, keyboard and input method, Gboard, and finally theme. Over here you can choose show mode to see all available ones, and when you're ready, tap on one of those images or colors. Click on the switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on and tap on apply. And now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now select a photo that you wish to apply by tapping on it. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. After that, you need to select done and tap on this switcher next to key borders to turn them on or off. Lastly, choose apply and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!